Hey everybody, what's going on? Today I bring you this 2001 BMW 740i, and this is going to be a full, in-depth tour of the 740. We'll start it up, show the engine, go over some of the performance data, show you a bunch of the features on the interior as well as exterior. And today, I'm at All City Auto Sales in Indian Trail, North Carolina. So without further ado, let's go ahead and start it up, let it run. It's in absolutely fantastic shape. Black leather interior. It's a full power tilting telescoping steering wheel. Upon key insertion, comes down to meet the driver. It's got 83,000 miles on it. Fires right up. Leather wrapped steering wheel. Sport grip extensions. And I'm going to go on the headlights, as well as the hazards. All four windows are automatic. And we'll check out the exterior. High intensity discharge projector headlamps, headlight washers. It does have a full power sunroof. And we're going to pop the hood. The 740 has a 4.4 liter V8. Padded door panels, rich wood trim, 3-person memory setting for the driver's seat, side airbags, power windows and mirrors. The locks is located on the center console, fully adjustable leather bucket seats. This extends your leg cushion. This one adjusts the top portion of the seat. And your standard settings to the rest. Also 4-way lumbar adjustment, up, down, out, and in. Your tilt, telescope and steering wheel controls, electronic parking brake. Yeah, let's go and see how she sounds. Very nice sounding motor. Dual zone automatic climate control with independent fan controls for the driver and passenger. Also independent zones. Navigation.
I'll see you on the dark side of the moon. The lunatic is in my, there's someone in my head, but it's not me.
much home lane. Very nice car. Power sunshade control. Place to put the cellular phone that comes with the vehicle. You also have your cruise control and radio controls in the steering wheel. Go ahead and shut it down. Let's check out the rest of the vehicle, shall we? Padded door panels back here as well. Rear sunshades. Back seats are in phenomenal shape. Very solid doors. Roomy trunk. Full power passenger seat as well, with the same adjustments as the driver's side. Very nice. Well guys, hope you enjoyed the in-depth tour on the 2001 BMW 740i. Be sure to stay tuned next time, there's a lot more that came from. Take care everybody.